Hi everyone, this is Anshika and I'm back with a new video. This video is gonna be a get ready with me because I know this is very unusual that I'm doing the intro like this. I'm in my pajamas right now, but we are gonna do a get ready with me and I'm also gonna be answering your assumptions about me. So this video is gonna be very fun and I hope you enjoy this video as much as I do because I'm really excited for today's video. Starting with the skincare first, I have all these products for my skincare and I'll do my face wash and then I'll come back. I tried putting my hair into a bun and I don't think it looks like those Pinterest buns, but it's okay. I washed my face with this Dot & Key's Barrier Repair Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. After the face wash, I'm gonna use this toner from Dot & Key. This is the best toner I've ever used. This is my second bottle and I am just loving this toner. And while I'm using this toner, I'll take the first assumption that you guys have about me, and it's you have gained a lot of friends after becoming an influencer. So guys, yeah, so I was saying that I am not an influencer yet, and about the friends thing, actually it's not true and it's the other way around. I have lost friends after I've started creating content, but the best part about it is that I'm not even sad about it. I'm so happy being away from those people, and yeah, so this assumption is not true. This toner is just so good that if you have open pores, you do not even need to use a primer after you've used this toner, and my skin feels just so mattified and all the pores are just like vanished. Next up, I'll be using this niacinamide serum from Ordinary, and honestly this is very ordinary and this is very average because I've used better niacinamide serums than this, but मैंने start कर लिया तो I am using it now. And moving on to the next assumption, it is that I have a lot of clothes. This is a very funny assumption, but it is true that I have a lot of clothes. And it's not that I've purchased those clothes. Because I'm a content creator, brands keep on sending clothes and stuff, and I'm also part of Myntra, so I get a lot of clothes from them also. And not only me, all the creators have a lot of clothes and a lot of stuff with them, so it's true. And as I said ki I have a lot of clothes. If you guys want me to do a giveaway, I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit like 1000 subscribers on YouTube, so stay tuned for that. Moving on, now we're done with the toner and serum. Moving on, I'll be applying this lip balm from Dot & Key. This is the this is the Gloss Boss Lip Balm Vitamin C plus E SPF 30 Cocoa Mint. I have once done a swatch for this one, but I've never used it. This is my first time using this lip balm, and let's see how it looks. I have heard that these lip balms are not that great. I don't know. It has a lot of tint, but I'm not sure about the moisture because I'll see after some time how moisturizing it is. Now I'll apply this moisturizer from Bioderma and then we'll be done with the skincare. And I'll also take one assumption now. You're not friendly and have a lot of attitude. The number of people who have told me this thing is insane. Because maybe I am assuming this because I have a resting face. People might think that I'm not friendly, but this is not true guys. I am friendly. So your first impression of me might not be that great. And मेरे को इतने सारे लोगों ने बोला है कि हमें first impression में लगता था that you have a lot of attitude, but after they've got to know me, their perspective has just changed. So I can say that this assumption is not true guys. I'm done with the moisturizer and I love how my skin is looking so glowing. Now we'll move on to the makeup. I don't usually do a lot of makeup. I am a skincare person, but this is how my makeup box looks like. This is from a brand called Clovia. This box is from the brand Clovia. I've put all my makeup inside this because मेरे पास उतना ज़्यादा makeup है नहीं, बहुत कम है तो मैंने इसी में डाल के रखा है. And this is how the makeup products look like. Yeah, this is how the makeup products look like. We'll start with the primer first, and this is the primer that I'll be using. This is from Swiss Beauty. Just though I don't have any open pores and I've also used this toner, but I will still use it because क्या ही जा रहा है use करने. And this is the primer. I guess this is the trial product, and I'll be using this. Oh, This is a silicone based primer. This is how it looks. It's transparent. I can feel how my skin is looking so soft and mattified. I don't use a foundation on daily basis, and not even on daily basis. I just don't use a foundation anyway. I just use this concealer from Swiss Beauty. Most of my makeup products are from Swiss Beauty because it's just an affordable brand and it's also beginner friendly. So yeah. So I'll be using this concealer to hide my dark circles. Also, I don't have a mirror with me right now, so just bear with me. um yeah. Oh, also I have some pigmentation around my mouth, so we'll be also covering that. ये कैसे लगाया है भाई मैंने? It's okay. And also on my forehead. I'll be using this damp beauty blender to blend all this. Please don't judge my makeup skills because I don't really have any skills. This concealer is really nice, and this like covers all my dark circles really well. I was looking very weird while I was blending the concealer, so I've skipped that part. Hopefully I haven't kept it in the video, but yeah. But yeah, I have blended the concealer, and this is how my under eyes look now. I think they are pretty better now. Also, I don't use a powder because I already have dry skin, so powder की कोई need नहीं है मुझे. And wow, I totally forgot to take the assumptions, but now we'll take some assumptions and then I'll be moving on to the makeup. So the next assumption is that you are doing MBBS. Really? Do I look like I'm doing MBBS? And if it does, तो भाई बहुत अच्छा है, but it's not true guys, I'm not doing MBBS. The next one is not an assumption, but it is a question that someone has asked me. Have you ever had a bad experience with any brand? Let me think, because I have a really bad. Oh yeah, I have had a bad experience with a brand. मैंने last video में बताया भी था, but it was not with the brand. It was because of a team member. And if you wanna know more about it, tell me. I'll make a separate video on it. The next one is that you have a lot of creator friends. So yeah, I know a lot of creators, but talking about friends, I also have a few creator friends that I can look up to, but not a lot of. But yeah, I know a lot of creators. Next up is you love watching cricket. Yes, I do love watching cricket. And if you already don't know, my favorite player is Virat Kohli. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know it. What is this accent, bro? We will be moving on to the blush now. For the blush, I'll be using this palette from Swiss Beauty again. I use it has two shades for blush. Wait, let me show you. Yeah, so it has these two shades for the blush. I mix both of them and apply it as a blush. And both of the shades mixed together give a really nice shade. I don't know if you can see it, but can you see that? I don't know where this makeup is gonna go because I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा blush लगा लिया है. Let's see. Let's trust the process. Tell us more about Myntra, guys. I've already made 2 videos on this topic, but if you still have any more questions about it, you can leave them in the comment section. And only if you have questions that are not covered in the first 2 parts, because मेरे को बहुत सारे ऐसे questions आ रहे थे जो कि मैंने already cover किए हुए हैं first 2 parts में. And if you want to know the answers of them, you can watch the first 2 parts. But if you have any unique questions about it, you can leave them in the comment section and I'll probably make a part 3. Now I think I'm done with my base. What is up with my bun? So now I'll be using this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty again. I've never used this one. Let's see how it. Oh, it says it has aloe vera with vitamin E. This is how the bottle looks like. It has added like a glow to my face. Yeah, I think I like it. Now for my eyebrows, I'll be using this eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild. As you can see, my eyebrows are hey nahi. I'll be using this eyebrow pencil, and I don't usually do my eyebrows, but let me just do it today. बट आई थिंक मैं कैमरे के सामने तो बैठ के नहीं कर पाऊंगी, सो आई विल जस्ट डू देम एंड आई विल कम बैक। डू यू थिंक दे लुक बेटर? बिकॉज आई थिंक सो। आई डोंट नो कि कैमरे पे दिख रही है कि नहीं, बट सामने से आई कैन सी देम एंड आई थिंक दे लुक गुड। आई जस्ट होप कि ये कैमरे पे शिनचैन जैसी नहीं दिख। Moving on to the next assumption, it is that you scored very good in your boards. Yeah, it is kind of true because I did score really well in my 10th boards. I got 9.2 CGPA, but in my 12th I didn't had to give exams because मैंने 12th लॉकडाउन में पास की थी. So because of that, स्कूल वालों ने मुझे उतने अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं दिए, बट इफ़ आई वुड हैव गिवन द एग्जाम्स आई वुड हैव डेफिनेटली गॉटन बेटर परसेंटेजेस. So yeah, it is kind of true that I scored really well in my boards, and 12th के percentage भी उतने बुरे नहीं थे. I got 7 point something CGPA, but yeah. The next assumption is you are a full-time content creator. So no guys, I am not a full-time content creator yet. I am doing my college side by side, and yeah. Moving on to the lipstick, we have these two options for the lipstick. The first one is from Blur and the other one is from Swiss Beauty again. Both of them are really similar shades, but I think I like the Swiss Beauty one more. Let me just open it and show it to you. The Swiss Beauty one is more like a muted nude and the Blur one is like a bright nude, if that's a thing. So I like this one more, so I'll be using this one today. This is how the lipstick looks like, and over this I'll be using this Blur का lip gloss. इसका शेड यहाँ पे बहुत अलग दिखता है, but after applying it, it becomes totally different. Let me just show you. This is how it looks. It's more like a brown nude lip gloss. पूरा शेड ही चेंज हो गया लिपस्टिक का, but it's okay. I like this better. But बहुत ज़्यादा ही डार्क लग रहा है क्या? It's okay, we'll fix this.